Good morning. These are exotic birds. These are exotic birds. These are exotic birds. This cage contains a wide range of exotic birds. This is a black canary. This one is a black canary. This is a black canary. That one over there is a pink exotic bird. The one standing on that red container is a pink. Is a pink exotic bird. It is a pink exotic bird. This is a black canary. Those are yellow canaries. Those are exotic birds. This is sparrow. This is sparrow. This is a black canary. Wow, this is an exotic bird. That's a pink bird. That's an exotic bird. This is a black canary.